Hey everyone, it's Andy with BarChefs.com. Today we're showing you the 6-foot rolling portable bar. These bars are acrylic panels with solid aluminum frames. They have the sound activated LED control system, and they also have a shelf built in that will give you some great storage. They are 6 foot across, or 72 inches across. They are 24 inches deep this way. They are about 40 inches high off the ground. When you want to move them, they've got casters on the bottom. They are fully locking casters, so that means they won't move or swivel, and they stay nice and steady when you have them in the lock position. All of them are color changeable. They come with the sound controller here. You can pick any solid color mode on demand. And to activate those colors, you just point and click. So for example, if I want the blue, I hit the blue button. And I accidentally hit the dimmer, so I'll tell you about that as well. You have a dimmer function. Let's see, we turn it back up there. And there's your blue. We also have like greens, you have pinks. Any color you want on demand, it's in there and it's ready to go. Then you also have this flash program here mode. If you put it on there, it's going to blink. Now you can do a fade program, which is a little more relaxing there. And then you have a sound activated mode, which I'll show you in a second. Real quick though, let's show you that shelf. We've got one here actually turned off. And that's what the shelf looks like. So you get plenty of storage. For more specification information, just jump on the website there. You can see the panels are solid white when they're turned off. They're cast acrylic. They're all removable. So if you want to pull those panels out, all you got to do is go down here and remove these set screws. You can remove the sides and the front panels around the front there, but you just remove those set screws and that panel will slide right out of the unit. You can take it to your local branding shop for graphics, or you can even replace it with other materials that are up to 1/4 inch thick if you wanted to do something besides acrylic. Last, guys, I'll show you the sound activation mode. There's 2 of those modes, so I can put it on a kind of a flash mode here, so you'll see if it has a trigger. There's a sensitivity there as well, so you can adjust how sensitive it is to the sound. Then I can put it on a color change mode for the sound. So same scenario. Let's stand back so you can see it. If I bang on the wall here, it will change to the beat of your music that's going on. Sometimes it'll change to my voice if it triggers that. Hope you enjoyed these. If you have more questions, call us at 865-456-1306. Be sure to check out all of our products online at BarChefs.com. You can find us on all of the social media sites like Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And you can find us on any of those by putting a /BarChefs at the end. And always be sure to call us at 865-456-1306. Thank you.